Hi friends, good evening. My name is Achut and I'm from Vizag. So today in this class we will discuss about Excel format fonts, like how can you implement font in Excel. We will discuss those things in this class. So let's not waste the time. Let's get into the class. So we are having the A1, right? A1 cell. So select A1 cell, write some content, right? Write hello and select column B and just write world here, and here to implement color just click on this, double click on this and click on. So you have to click the cell A1 and you have to change the color like this. So you can change the color like this, and so you have to select A1 to C4 and just write numbers here like 1, 2, and 3. So we are having A1 to C4, right? C4, right? So to change the font, so by default you'll be having the Calibri. You'll be having Calibri. So to change the font, you have to just drag it, and you can change it by using, see, by based upon the selection, it is changing, right? It is changing. So I want Arial black. See, so we can change by using this font. Like you can change its font. So in this way you can change it. And if you want to change the font size, so it is a font. It is a font. It is a font. And if you want to change the font size, so you can see, you can change the font size also. So based upon your selections, the font size will be increased and decreased. Increased and decreased. Increased and decreased. So in this way, you can use the font and the font size. And you can use bold here. You can use italic, and for this you can use italic, and you can use underline, and you can use the double underline. So in this way you can use the font. You can use the font. So I hope you understand. So we can change the font for the words and the numbers. Words and the numbers. See, you can change the font and font size for the words and the numbers. So you can change the font and font size for the characters, and font and font size for the numbers also. So in this way, you can modify by using Excel format font. So I hope you understand this simple class about Excel font. If you think this video is helpful for you, just please like the video, and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefited from this video. And please subscribe to my channel, and please ring the bell icon. Then only get the notification whenever I upload videos on the YouTube, or otherwise you'll not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.